Hello fellow bloggers, this is Benny B, and in this video I'm going to show you how to set up your own blog. You can stop this video after each step to go do what I just showed you, then come back and press play to continue and learn the next step. If you follow my directions and do the steps like I show you, by the end of this video you will know how to set up your blog. Don't forget, if you miss a step, just play this video again to see and hear what you missed. Okay, so let's begin. First, I'm going to show you how to get to the login page for your blog. Go ahead and open a new internet page or web browser. So go to new internet page or web browser. Come up here, this is your address bar. In the address bar, type in www.bloomingbloggers.com. Okay, in case you don't know how to spell that, let me show you. It's right here, www.bloomingbloggers.com. Go ahead and spell that right here into your address bar. Once you have that, click enter. It takes you to the bloomingbloggers.com website. Look on the left hand side where it says check these sites. Right here under check these sites there are different links. One of the links says Kid Blog Login. Find the Kid Blog Login link and click on it. It takes you to the login page for your blog. Okay, right here where it says username, go ahead and click on this arrow and it's going to show you the different class numbers in the class. Go ahead and find your class number and click on it. If you can't find yours, click on this bar and drag it down and you will find more student numbers. Find your student number and click on it. I'm Benny B and my student number is 0, so I'm going to click on it. Next, go to where it says password. Your teacher gave you a password in class. Go ahead and type in the password that your teacher gave you here. Once you type in the password that your teacher gave you, come here to login and click login. Once you're in, the first page you see may or may not look like mine. Maybe your page looks different. That's okay. It doesn't matter. If your page doesn't look like mine, that's okay because we're going to be going to a different section. Whatever page you're on, go ahead and look up here on the top right hand corner. Go ahead and find your student number up here on the top right hand corner. When you find your student number, go ahead and click on it. Okay, this takes you to your profile page. You see here it says profile. Okay, we're going to be making some changes to your blog. So let's start where it says display name. So display name, right now you just have your student number. Don't delete or erase your student number. Leave your student number there. Go ahead and click a space and type in your name. So my name is Benny B Blogger. So I'm going to type in Benny B Blogger. My name's already there because I was clicking on it earlier. I was typing that in. But yours is not going to be there, so just go ahead and put in your name, first and last name. So leave the number there and type in your first and last name. Next, come here to where it says blog title. Right now, your blog has a title, and yours probably has your number, and it says, like mine says, number zero's blog. Well, I don't want it to say number zero's blog. I want it to say Benny B's blog. So I'm going to go ahead and change that right here. I'm going to type in Benny B's blog. Okay, whatever your name is, go ahead and type in your first name and then blog. So if your name is Maria, type in Maria's blog. If your name is Jack, put Jack's blog. Make sure you have an apostrophe S because that shows that it's possessive. It means that the blog belongs to you. Okay. Next, we're going to go ahead and change your password. Right now, everyone in the classroom has the same password. And we don't want everyone to have the same password. We want you to have your own password. Go ahead and type in the password that your teacher gave you. That's the old password. And then right here, type in the new password. I recommend that you use your student ID number from your school here. It's probably the same ID number that you use in the computer lab. So go ahead and type that ID number right here. That'll be your new password. Okay, for email, you don't need to put anything in here for the email. Just leave it blank. Next, before we go on and change our picture, we want to make sure that we save these changes, because if we go and click on our picture and then we come back, it's going to erase everything we just did, and we don't want it to erase everything we just did. So let's go ahead and save it. So I'm going to click right here in this bar. I'm going to click and drag it down. And down here, you're going to notice it says Update Profile. Go ahead and click on Update Profile. Once you click on it, it's going to show right here, Profile Updated. That means that you just saved all of this information. If you log out, make sure that you use your new password because your password has now been changed. Your old password will not work. Okay, so our changes have been saved. Now that that has been saved, let's go and change our picture. If you come over here, you see how it says avatar. This is a picture. Let me move this down a little bit. And right here it says change avatar. Go ahead and click on change avatar. Okay, and it takes us to where we can change our picture. Now there's two ways that you could put a picture. Let me go ahead and show you one way. This way, if you have a picture on your computer, it can go ahead and get that picture from your computer and put it here. If you don't know how to do this, ask your mom or dad or brother or sister or a family member or a friend to help you. So I open up my files. Mine is right here, Benny B Blogger. I click on it. Here's the file. I click on open. And now the file name is here. Okay. Once I have that there, I click on upload image. Okay. Once I upload image, it gives me the option to crop my picture. Now you see how it just has this little square right here? I have to make it as big as I possibly can so that it covers the entire picture or as much of it as possible. So I'm trying to make it bigger, but it won't let me, so that's all I can do. If it's like this, you can grab the whole picture and move it up. So I want to make sure that I have as much of the picture as I can. Once I have that, I'm going to click right here. You see it says crop image. Okay, it's going to look like this. So I like that. Let's click on it, crop image. Okay, and now it shows up here. Now, just because you see your picture here, it doesn't mean that your picture has been saved to your blog. To save it, we have to come down again, grab the scroll bar, pull it down, and click Update Profile. If I go to another part of my blog and I come back, my picture's not going to be there because it hasn't been saved. So click on Update Profile. Okay, now you notice up here it says Profile Updated. That means that it has been saved. Okay, so now let's go down and let's go ahead and change the theme. You see here it says use your theme. So right now everyone in the class has the same theme. Everyone has this beach theme. Okay, if you want to change it and make yours different from everyone else's, you can go ahead and change it in two ways. You can either click on these little circles that you see here, or you can click on the actual image, and you could pick any of these that you see on the top, and you could also pick any of these you see here on the bottom. So if I want to change mine, let's say I want to pick this one. I can either click on the picture or I can click on the little circle. Okay, once I select the theme that I want, I have to make sure I come and click Update Profile so it changes my theme. If I don't click Update Profile, it's not going to change it. So let's click on it. Okay, you see up here it says Profile Updated. That means it's been saved. Now, if I want to see what my theme looks like, let's go up here to Class Blogs. I click on right here where it says Class, go to Class Blogs. I click on it. And you're going to notice right here, you're going to say, hey, this is not the theme that I picked. How come it's different? Well, if you look over here, they have three options. You see it says All Blogs. It says All Blogs. Over here in the middle, it says My Blog. And over here it says New Post. And if you see how All Blogs is highlighted, this is showing you that you're in all blogs. All of the class blogs are here. So if I scroll down, you see everyone's blog is here. Okay, so this is not just your blog, it's everyone's blog. But to see your theme, you want to click on My Blog. So let's go ahead and click on My Blog. Okay, so here you go. Now it shows your blog. And notice how it has my name, Benny B's Blog. This is the name that I changed it to. And you notice that I have some writing here. I'm going to show you how to add this writing later on. Yours is not going to have any writing. Okay, I already put something in here. But yours is going to be blank. That's okay if yours is blank. That's not a problem. Okay, so let's say that I don't like this theme and I say, well, I want to change my theme. I want mine to be different. So I'm going to go back up here to where the number was, and you're going to notice it doesn't just have your number anymore. Now it has your number and your name because you changed that in your profile page. So go ahead and click on the number or your name or both of it together. Doesn't matter. Just click on it. Okay, so now it takes you back to your profile page. Now, if I want to change my theme, I want to make it different, I want to go back and let's say, well, I do like the beach theme. I want that one. So I want the same one that the class has. I'm going to click on it. I have to click on Update Profile to make sure that I save my changes. I click on Update Profile. Here it says Profile Updated. Okay, if I want to see what it looks like, I go back to Class Blogs. Okay, I go back here to My Blog. Go ahead and click on My Blog. Okay, and here you see now you have the beach theme. Okay, so again, if you want to make changes, go back up here to your number and your name. Go ahead and click on it. Okay, and if you want to change it, go back and click on a different theme. Click on Update Profile, and it'll make that change. Okay, so when you're all done making changes, go ahead and log out by clicking where it says Log Out on the upper right hand corner up here. You see up here it says Log Out on the upper right hand corner. Go ahead and click on Log Out. Okay, and it takes you back to the login page. Okay, so make sure you set up your blog like I showed you before you go on to the next page. If you missed something, watch this video again to see and hear what you missed. If you have completed the steps on this video, go back to bloomingbloggers.com right here and click on where it says Build Your Blog. Okay, once you click on Build Your Blog, click on What Do You Think? Click on What Do You Think to continue, and I'll see you on the next page.